Majority 60 to 65% of the fires they occur due to the electrical faults, maybe Me Too products or uninstallment of the non-skilled people they are doing the electrical works. So this is a massive number which directly relate to loss of life and property. But unfortunately 11 kV and below loads are not regulated by any authority, maybe municipal authority, local state government or central government. So it is a concern for the nation as we are driving from developing country to the developed country.
Thank you so much, Mr. 𝒔𝒊𝒂𝒂 sir, who is the Director of Maharashtra Fire and Emergency Services. So, sir, when it comes to fire and adverse situations, how do you see the role of electrical equipment and quality of electrical equipment?
As per the national data whichever is available, majority 60 to 65% of the fires they occur due to the electrical faults, maybe Me Too products or uninstallment of the non-skilled people they are doing the electrical works and the defective products or appliances. So this is a massive number which directly relate to loss of life and property. So as far as industries are concerned or high-tech multinational companies are concerned, they are taking good responsibility for all electrical installations and regular checks are happening. But unfortunately 11 kV and below loads are not regulated by any authority, maybe municipal authority, local state government or central government. There are less guidelines available to regulate them. So we are concerned with that, and majority of fires they are occurring into this area, and which is directly leading to loss of life and property. So it is a significant amount of fires we surface due to the electrical failures, maybe short circuit, overheating, earthing failures. So these are the number of causes are there. So it is a concern for the nation as we are driving from developing country to the developed country.
So do you feel that a non-adherence to quality standards is somehow resulting of such incidents and accidents?
Yeah, absolutely. As far as the quality is concerned, when it is very important, without power we cannot survive nowadays. We are talking about high-rise buildings, which means every municipal corporation now getting buildings above 70 meters in MMR and PMR region, and across the nation same trend is there for the metros and mini metros. So we have to have the robust system. So as a firefighter also and the occupant of the building, they have to use the lifts in case of emergency. So they should have the strong support system with the power backup for the electrical installations, critical installations like the lights and the lifts also, so that in case of emergency also they can work. Even my firefighting systems, they require a sustainable electrical supply so that we can work on fire.
Right. And just to conclude, sir, what sort of advice, suggestions, recommendations you have for the developer community?
So developer community, we go for the minimum ones. So that we should do away with that. We should see how the building will be utilized in long terms. Normally developers create the parks and they wait for the incomers to come in. They come up with their own whims and fancies, the interior designs and the loads. So the load which is planned at the initial stage goes haywire within 2 to 3 years time. So we have to consider that aspect also during planning stage itself. The maximum load can be utilized. Take a simple example of 2 BHK flat. If it is have the 15-story building, immediately once the OC is granted, immediately the owner puts the AC in the halls. So consider all the gadgets coming in which are not considered at the initial stage for calculating the loads, and the loads goes haywire within the 2 to 3 years of the building life. So considering the at least 5 years building life, we have to take the load and we have to plan all basic infrastructure, electrical infrastructure according.
Right. So important advice coming from the Mr. 𝒔𝒊𝒂𝒂, who is the Director of Maharashtra Fire and Emergency Services. Thank you so much. Great talking to you, sir. Yeah, thanks.
friends. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.